Rebel Gang, what's good, man? It's your boy Matt the Rebel, back with another video for you today. Rebel Gang, listen, if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell so you're notified every time a video drops on the channel. And above all else, make sure you like this video and comment once you've watched it in its entirety, family. So I'm not gonna waste any time, guys. Let's go ahead and get in today's video and take a look at the Reebok Question Mid Team USA thumbnail. Let's get into it. Reebok Mid Question, all right, in its Team USA colorway. I know some people are thinking to themselves, why in the world is Matt reviewing another Reebok Question? Well, guys, as you can see, the Reebok Question and the Reebok Answer are two of my favorite signature athlete sneakers. Reason being, one is because Allen Iverson is my all-time favorite basketball player. I would love to meet him one day, man, if I'm able to. But anyways, Rebel Gang, let's go ahead and get into today's topic, man. The Reebok Question Team USA. Now, before we actually talk about the sneaker itself, I gotta say this. A lot of you are out here mad about taking all of these L's on all of these hype limited sneakers. You're mad about taking L's on Kobe's and Jordans. I had some Yeezys out here, but we're constantly getting mad about sneakers like that unless we hit on them, which is fine. I mean, it makes sense. You know, people only get mad about the stuff they can't have. I get it. Why is it that we're leaving a shoe like this sitting in the store? You know, maybe you think it's generally an ugly shoe. And if that's your opinion, that's fine, guys. The beauty about the sneaker game is that it's whatever you want to make it. That's the beauty of this whole thing. Now, for me personally, I love storytelling. You guys already know how I feel. And when there is a story on one of my all-time favorite silhouettes featuring my all-time favorite basketball player, there's some shoes I'm not going to pass on, this being one of them. So guys, let's go ahead and get into the details of this sneaker. There are some things that I absolutely love about it, and there are some things that I wish were a little bit different, but let's go ahead and talk about it, okay? So one thing that you're going to notice is that there is a beautiful, and I mean beautiful contrast with that navy blue, that Team USA blue, and that white midsole, guys. The Team USA blue being on the upper, the white going all the way across right here on the midsole, guys. This shoe is flat out beautiful, okay? Now, one thing I gotta admit is that Reebok did a great job with the quality of this sneaker. Not only do you get a really nice tumbled leather toe box, but this is a really soft but yet sturdy nubuck material, guys, right here on the upper. Of course, you have that red, silver, and blue Reebok logo right there on the side. The shoe does come with red laces, red and blue entwined laces, guys, with a white toe box going all the way up. And one thing I also love is that the logo is strategically placed everywhere, and the accents on the shoe are really beautiful as well. So on the outside, red and blue logo, of course, red and blue Reebok logo. On the inside, red and blue Reebok logo. On the back, you have that silver tab right there at the ankle. And what is that? It's not a number 3, which would be Allen Iverson's, of course, the number he wore most of his time in the NBA, 90% of the time, I'm sure. It's not a number 1 representing the number 1 draft pick that AI was back in the late 90s. It's a number 4, because as we all know, when AI got on that Team USA, he wore the number 4, guys. So this shoe is just really dope to me, man. I know a lot of people out there are constantly, like I said, constantly taking those L's on, oh, I didn't get this Yeezy, oh, I didn't get this, I didn't get that, I didn't get blah, 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 I didn't get this, I didn't get this Jordan, whatever. There's nothing wrong with the sneaker that is actually, when it came out on Saturday, it wasn't an instant sellout, sitting in stores, probably still sitting online. It's a great quality shoe, meant for the hardwood, but as we all know, questions can be rocked in a very urban streetwear style of thing, okay? Style of clothing, I should say. Now, let's keep going on with the details, family, because like I said, the shoe is really dope. On the interior, you do get that nice red sock liner, man. On the interior, at the inner sole, you do get that Reebok logo right down there. Let's see, there's one more thing. Oh, and you do have a more like an icier blue translucent sole with the Reebok logo sitting underneath, as well as that hexalite technology that is inside of the question. So everywhere you see like these little hexagons, it's almost like a Reebok Air unit, I would say. Just a really well done shoe, guys. Really, really clean. Gives you that extra comfort, you know, really nice and sturdy. Not a lot of bend to it, which is a good thing, especially if you're going to wear it on the court. But one thing I have noticed about sneakers like this this. When you wear a sneaker like this on your, you know, your everyday go, your everyday travel, you know, when you're walking around, walking on the sidewalk, whatever the case may be, a basketball shoe that is this sturdy is going to take a lot longer to destroy, to ruin, and things like that. Make sure that you guys are protecting your sneakers, and make sure that you guys are protecting your feet while you're wearing this sneaker, which does lead me to one more thing that I want to shout out. Now, of course, we are talking about the Reebok question, guys, but shameless plug, shout out to my friends over at Miles5280, man, for blessing me with a pair of socks, guys. It's actually a limited edition 3-pack of socks. These are not out yet, so they are going to be having a pop-up shop towards the end of August where they are going to be selling these really dope socks. I am going to be doing a full review on these, guys, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But make sure you are protecting your feet while you are out and about, okay? So back to the sneaker, man. Like I said, guys, the sneaker is really dope, and it does come in a really dope colorway. The only thing I would have loved to have seen differently on this sneaker is a suede toe box or a nubuck toe box. Now, actually, no, we're gonna say suede. I would love to have seen a red suede right here, or if you had just kept the shoe all navy blue, or just make that white toe box navy blue, but make it suede, or just keep it white and give it that suede touch, okay? I think that would have made the shoe a lot more, giving the shoe a lot more pop to it, if that makes any sense. I would have loved to have seen that, guys. So with that being said, family, this is the Reebok question in its Team USA colorway, man. Reebok, you guys are doing a great job on these sneakers, man. I gotta say, you guys are killing the game out here. All right, really dope pair of shoes, guys. Of course, you got that silver Reebok tag right there on the tongue. I believe I failed to mention that, but let me go ahead and make sure I get that in there as well. So that is the shoe right there, family. Details all over the place. You got question logo right there with the Reebok logo mixed in. The number 4 Reebok logo on the bottom of the shoe. Translucent sole, guys. Really dope set of laces. Now, no extra laces. I would have liked for this to come with just a plain blue pair of laces, but it did not, and that is okay. You know, the shoe is still dope. And I know me personally, being a DC, not native, but a DC liver, living in DC currently, family, I do love the fact that, look at the shoe. It's red, white, and blue, which is literally every DC sports team. So if you're in the DC area, guys, or if you're just wanting to rock a really nice navy blue pair of shoes, you can definitely do it with this. I know me personally, I'm going to be rocking this with a Nationals jersey, a Capitals jersey. If I decide to start wearing basketball jerseys again, I'll probably rock it with the Wizards jersey as well, or something that's red, white, and blue themed. Maybe some Team USA gear would go perfect with this. So we'll see how it goes, family. And Rebel Gang, with that, oh, I always forget to tell you guys about the box. So guys, the box is actually really traditional. No Team USA inspired box. I was maybe hoping for like a navy blue box with like a white and red lid, maybe like a white box with a navy blue lid, or something Team USA driven, but you know, it is what it is, guys. We did get a dope sneaker, so I'm not too mad about it. But the box is your traditional Reebok question Allen Iverson box, guys. You see AI's logo right there with his signature. On the interior, you got your Reebok paper, and that is it, family. This has been a review and a discussion on the Reebok question mid in its Team USA colorway, man. Guys, I want y'all to let me know your thoughts and opinions on this sneaker. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if this is a sneaker that you decided to go with. Did you pass on it for whatever reason? Let me know your thoughts and opinions, guys, in the comment section. Make sure you follow me on social media. All the links are in the description below. And Rebel Gang, with that being said, it's your boy Matt the Rebel, man. It is the Reebok question in its Team USA colorway. It is the Miles 5280 pack of socks, guys. Like I said, not released yet. Review coming soon. Checking out this video, family. We love you. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one. We out. Peace.